Hi everyone, this is Jane Chu here from thefabulousbodymind.com. Today, I would like to talk about glycemic index, or in short, it is called GI. So I would like to talk about the GI of different fruits and how they impact our blood sugar levels. So many of us here, we like to eat watermelon, pineapples, grapes, apples, and so on. But for some of us who might have concern on diabetes or high blood sugar levels, we need to know which is the best fruit for us. So let's take a look at what glycemic index is. Glycemic index is a scale from 0 to 100 that measures how quickly a food causes our blood sugar levels to rise. Foods with a high GI are digested quickly and cause a rapid spike in blood sugar, while foods with low GI are digested more slowly, leading to gradual increase in blood sugar. So let's talk about watermelon. Watermelon has a GI of around 72, which is quite high. Unfortunately, I think many of us love to eat watermelon, right? Including myself. But knowing that watermelon has a GI of around 72, I try to control the portion of watermelon I eat. Because the GI of 72 means that eating watermelon can cause a quick spike in our blood sugar. Now, let's take a look at pineapples. Pineapples is also my favorite fruit. Unfortunately, and pineapple has a rather high GI as well, which is about 66. While it is not as high as watermelon, they still cause a fairly rapid increase in blood sugar levels. Alright, so for those pineapples lower, we have to be careful when we are eating pineapples, limit our portion. Okay, next let's talk about grapes. Grapes are also my favorite fruit. Okay, and grapes have a GI of around 53, which is moderate. They cause a more moderate increase in blood sugar compared to watermelon and pineapples. Okay, so slightly good news, but it still doesn't mean that we can eat a lot of them. Alright, finally, we have cherries. Cherries have a GI of about 22, making them a low GI fruit. This means they cause a slower and smaller rise in blood sugar levels, making them a better choice for maintaining stable blood sugar. Okay, wow. Finally, we have cherries. I think it's a good news for me. Cherries taste good, but it is actually quite expensive. All right, but at least we have something to eat. Okay, so for those who have pre-diabetes and diabetes, you need to be aware how much fruits you are eating, how much GI it contains. All right, so know your portion.
If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Join the movement to eliminate obesity and reverse metabolic syndrome. Together, we can make a difference. Hit the notification bell so you will never miss an update. Follow us on social media for more tips and support.